Well, folks, welcome back to the channel. Um, it's Friday after lunch on June the 11th, I think, and it is super hot and dry. And this is probably stupid, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and plant my peas. I know I said I was gonna plant beans, but I couldn't find any soybeans anywhere, so I'm just gonna plant iron clay peas. I'm gonna throw some sunflowers in with it. And I ain't decided yet. I might even throw a little extra corn in it. My corn's up over here, but it needs spraying bad. Got a lot of weeds in it. But we really need some rain. And looking at the forecast, they're calling for the next 4 days has pretty good chances, and the chances go up every day. So I'm going to take a chance and go ahead and get this seed in the ground. And anyway, stick around. We'll see what becomes of it. I'm gonna do this like I talked about in the last video. You know, I already got the ground worked up. I'm just gonna broadcast my seed on top of it and take the tiller and just slightly work it in just to cover it up. And because I won't be able to spray this, as like I said, I couldn't find no Roundup Ready beans, so I'm having to use Cowpeas. But I'm putting the sunflowers in for the peas to run on, and that's why I may throw a little corn in with it, but I don't know. Corn's awful expensive. Anyway, stick with us.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's get to spreading. Did I say it was hot? I think it's like 98. High humidity. It's awful out here. But anyway, I'm gonna put a few sunflowers in with this, and then we'll get it covered up. All right, folks, let's get the seed or get it covered up. There's actually some clouds rolling up back there. Maybe we're gonna hit it at a good time. We can only hope so. Hope and pray. Okay, folks, I think I'm gonna die. But we got the seed down on the second part and fixing to cover it up. Come on, go with me. The stupid crap we do for deer. And it is hot. Pray for rain. All right, folks, here's the last little spot I'm going to do. I just got some seed left, so I'm going to throw it in here on this little area I call the sawdust pile. Y'all seen this place in other videos where I got the feeder right there. Anyway, I'm going to finish up my seed here and end it up. Well, folks, let's go wrap up this planting the cowpeas for the deer sunflowers. It's been a hot one, dry, dusty one. You can't even tell what color the tractor is, it's so dry. Please pray for rain, not just for me, but for everybody. I mean, we're in a severe drought, and we need some rain. But stick around. We got more videos coming. I'm gonna have to go spray the corn over there the next few days. Might do a video on that. And anyway, like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, talk to me. It helps the algorithm, I guess, if the more people that comment and like my videos. But anyway, I'm gonna try to keep doing this and come on back for the next one. Remember to subscribe. And as always, hope everyone's had a great day. Hope everyone has a great week, and God bless. Pray for rain.